In this video I'm repairing an overheat problem of this Marshall MOSFET amp. These have quite weird reason for overheating, and it's the reverb feature. So let's take this open and I'll explain. I made another video about how to desample this and how to make basic maintenance. Link is in the description. So now we can see the PCB and reverb related parts are here. I studied the semantics and this way was able to measure that everything is normal before these two transistors, but voltages are not matching the semantics after those. Over voltage in the reverb section will damage the chip here and possibly overheat the resistors or other components, so I will replace all this here. Here's another picture of the semantics and reverb related stuff highlighted here. Parts are cheap, but working is quite slow. Then after everything is replaced, reverb should work as intended and hopefully this amp will not overheat again. Now just everything back together and you're all set.